Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day or night whenever you all are watching this. Really quickly, I wanted to come through and give you all the details of this unit. This is a unit that I was sent from Glueless.com. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit. They sent me out their 180% density full lace wig. This is their Brazilian deep curly texture. This is a 16-inch unit. The construction of this unit is made to be like a glueless full lace wig. So it came with a total of 4 combs. It came with the comb at the top where the frontal portion is at, 2 combs on the side, and then 1 long, nice big comb in the back. And it also has an adjustable band at the bottom as well. I did go ahead and I removed the front comb and the 2 side combs. So I just kept the large comb that was in the back in the nape area, and then I just went ahead and added an elastic band for extra security. This unit, it did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck a little bit more just to give me a natural hairline a little bit more to my liking. But yes, I do really like this unit, y'all. Again, it is a full lace wig, so you can part it anywhere you want. You can put it up in a ponytail, however you want to rock it. You have many options with this unit. This unit will definitely come in handy with the spring season approaching, as well as the summertime. But I really do like this unit, y'all. The hair is super soft. The hairline is awesome. It fits perfectly with my low hairline, so I did not have to do any additional cutting besides cutting off the lace that needed to be cut. So it was very easy to install this unit. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you do like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, comments, or concerns, y'all know y'all can leave me a comment down below, and I will get back to you all as soon as I can. But I love y'all so much. Again, enjoy the video, and I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one.
Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter 72. Lotos, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo na velocidade, não tem igual. E num grande torneio de karatê internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotos, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de karatê internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotos, 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 72. Lotos, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não